Well, my Ancestry DNA results finally came in. After waiting for probably 6 weeks, they finally came in. And I thought I'd record it for opening them for posterity, and just in case there's a big surprise that I would want to share with you. So I think what I know so far, without looking at my DNA results, is that what I think I am, I probably am. My grandparents on my paternal side are English and are from England, and I was able to go back to the 1700s, 1600s, and we were always from England. It doesn't seem like any ancestors from anywhere else. And on my maternal grandparents' side, my grandfather was Finnish and from Finland, and thanks to somebody, some relative in Finland who passed on a family tree to my mother, who shared it with me, I was able to see that my grandparents, my grandfather was from Finland and all the way back to the 1600s, so it's pretty clear. And not only just from Finland, they're all from one town. Nobody seems to have ever even explored outside of that one area of Finland. And on my grandmother's side, on my maternal side, she's French Canadian, and I was able to also go back quite a long way, actually all the way to the 1600s, and my grandmother's lineage was almost always from Quebec. There doesn't seem to be any surprises there either. So that's kind of what I'm expecting to be able to read from my results. So I think if there is any kind of surprise, it would be truly a surprise, because it doesn't seem to be in my lineage that I can find. Although my grandmother often said we had German in us, but I have no idea if that would be true, because I haven't been able to find it. But here we go. So okay, so I'm going to view my full ethnicity tree, and there's a video I'm supposed to watch, but I'll watch that later. So it pretty much says exactly what I thought. The only surprise, I'm 35% Europe West, which seems to cover, according to the map, France and Germany, so that is kind of interesting. I guess that is a surprise. And then I'm 22% Finland, Northwest Russia, which is exactly what I thought I would find. The town that, I'm not sure how to say it in Finn, but the town where my family comes from is called Perikala. Maybe I'm saying that wrong, but it's right on the Russian border, so that completely makes sense. And then 18% Scandinavian, which includes Sweden and Norway. Who knew that? But one surprise is Ireland, 15%. So I have not seen that in my family tree at all, that anybody comes from Ireland, so that is a surprise. Anyways, I was kind of inspired by catching a Who Do You Think You Are episode with Cindy Crawford, and she said that she was from, or when they traced it back, her lineage came to the US via somebody with the last name Trowbridge, so it actually inspired me to look further into where I was from. And she was able to trace back Trowbridge right back to Charlemagne, which was really interesting. But this is something to think about. I'll have to keep searching and figure out how we have Irish roots. Anyways, that's it.